I had one simple goal, and somehow I spent last 30 days doing absolutely nothing. My last video crossed 10k views. I thought that would finally make me consistent. It didn't. I stopped uploading, I played games, I scrolled, I kept telling myself I will start tomorrow. And tomorrow became 30 days. But here is the embarrassing part. I still haven't achieved anything. I'm not making another motivational video telling you to work harder. I'm going to test it on myself. From tomorrow, I am rebuilding my routine, my channel, my skills, and my discipline too. I'm documenting the result. If I fail, you will see it. If I actually change, you will see that too. Day 1 starts tomorrow.